Information is everywhere, and aggregating it manually can take more time than it's worth. SOLIDWORKS Manage 2020 makes this effort easier by introducing Microsoft Outlook integration and expanded integration with SOLIDWORKS PDM. Emails in Microsoft Outlook can now be saved directly in SOLIDWORKS Manage. For situations where you have an existing process or case, click Save Emails into Existing Record in Outlook and search for the record of interest. When you need to access the email in the future, go to the Emails tab on the record to view it. With this integration, you don't have to remember additional steps to associate emails with records. Simply link the email to a record directly from Outlook. Accessing emails like this, and all of the additional information available in Manage, are now accessible directly in SOLIDWORKS PDM. Just navigate to the desired area in the SOLIDWORKS Manage tab. With the integration with Outlook and PDM, SOLIDWORKS Manage streamlines your experience, capturing and accessing important information.